Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. This video is about one-liners of pharma and micro. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Area under the blood concentration time reliably reflects the total amount of drug reaching the target tissue after oral administration. High affinity of the drug will enable it to be used in low concentration. Heparin can be safely prescribed in pregnancy. Tolazolene is used as a vasodilator before coronary catheterization. Drug used to perform stress echo is dobutamine. Used for the treatment of migraine, the triptans acts through 5-HT1B. Ipratropium bromide is absolutely contraindicated in urinary retention. Rofecoxib is associated with highest cardiac mortality. The therapeutic efficacy of antihypertensive drugs is blunted by NSAIDs because they decrease the synthesis of vascular prostacyclin. Aspirin inhibits cyclooxygenase. A patient on aspirin will have increase in bleeding time. Misoprostol is a prostaglandin E1 analog. Long-acting beta-2 adrenoreceptor agonist is salmeterol. Zafirlukast acts as leukotriene receptor antagonist. Hypokalemia is a side effect of beta-2 agonist. Mode of action of theophylline is phosphodiesterase inhibitor. Phenylbutazone, if used along with tolbutamide, which is sulfonylurea, can cause hypoglycemia. Hemolysis is not caused by erythromycin. Thiazides can cause hypokalemia, metabolic alkalosis. Furosemide is used in pulmonary edema. Sodium reabsorption in PCT is prevented by mannitol. Digoxin is contraindicated in hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy. SLE is caused by procainamide. Isosorbide mononitrate does not undergo first-pass metabolism. Quinidine is contraindicated in digitalis toxicity. Sodium nitroprusside infusion may result in cyanide toxicity. Loeffler syndrome is an indication for the use of corticosteroids. Buprenorphine is an opioid with strong analgesic property. Naltrexone is used in a case of opioid dependence to treat withdrawal symptoms. Carbamazepine can be used with MAO inhibitors. Neostigmine increases gastrointestinal motility. Drug implicated for prolonging QT interval in a premature baby is cisapride. Anticoagulant of choice in heparin-induced thrombocytopenia is argatroban. Antagonist of heparin is protamine sulfate. Erythromycin is given in intestinal hypomotility because it binds to motilin receptors. Itraconazole is used for treating aspergillosis. Morphine for pain is not be used in biliary colic. Fluoxetine is a serotonin uptake inhibitor. Drug of choice for chronic myeloid leukemia is imatinib. ATRA is useful in the treatment of promyelocytic leukemia. Leucovorin is used as rescue therapy for patients who are on methotrexate. Germ theory was given by Louis Pasteur. He is the father of microbiology. He led the principles of sterilization and disinfection. Principles of asepsis in surgery was introduced by Joseph Lister. Robert Koch discovered the causative organism for tuberculosis and cholera. Prokaryotes have N-acetylmuramic acid and N-acetylglucosamine in their cell wall. They lack nuclear membrane and cytoplasmic organelles. The cell wall of gram-negative bacteria contains lipopolysaccharide, periplasmic space and outer membrane. Prions are least susceptible to disinfectants and antiseptics. Thermal death point is the lowest temperature that kills all microbes in 10 minutes. Isograft is best suited for renal transplantation. In transplantation reaction, Ewald-Silmer effect is unilateral sex-linked histocompatibility. Most common agent associated with neonatal bacterial meningitis is Streptococcus agalactiae and E. coli. Identification of possible high-risk births by rectal and lower vaginal swabs at 35 to 37 weeks of pregnancy is most likely to reduce the incidence of group B streptococcal disease in an infant. Neisseria species in that of pathogenic species grow well in enriched media. Meningococci differ from gonococci in the presence of polysaccharide capsule. Pasteurella multocida is oxidase and catalase positive and does not grow on McConkie agar. It is commensal in URT of several animals like dogs, cats. It causes wound infections of cat and dog bites. Francisella tularensis is a gram-negative bacillus which causes tularemia and rabbit fever. Voles, rabbits, and muskrats are reservoir host. Most common type, ulceroglandular fever. About 50% of world population affected, 80 to 85% of population is infected in some developing countries. Haemophilus aegyptius causes pink eye and Brazilian purpuric fever. Mycoplasma needs cholesterol and other lipids for growth. Rickettsia are gram-negative cocobacilli, obligate intracellular, form basophilic inclusion bodies that stain with Castaneda or Giemsa stain. The tubercle bacillus was discovered by Robert Koch. National Institute of Tuberculosis is located at Bangalore. Quantitative assays like plaque assay and poke assay are done for quantifying the number of infectious virus particles. Quantal assays indicate only presence or absence of infectious viral particles. Parvovirus B19 has a single-stranded DNA genome. It is the smallest pathognomic virus. Cytomegalovirus remains latent in salivary glands and kidneys. Hepatitis A virus belongs to genus Enterovirus of family Picornavirus, non-enveloped single-stranded RNA virus. Fecal-oral transmission, no chronic complications. Myxoviruses like influenza virus are cultured on amniotic cavity and allantoic cavity of chick embryo. Orthomyxoviruses, influenza virus, has a segmented genome. Genetic recombinant strains due to this kind of genome. Arbovirus are transmitted by insect vectors. The primary reason for the replacement of live oral polio vaccines by inactivated polio vaccine in many countries where polio has been eradicated is a greater risk of vaccine-induced disease than wild virus-induced disease. Prion diseases transmissible spongiform encephalopathies are scrapie in sheep, CJD in humans, and mad cow disease in cattle. Trophozoite of E. histolytica extends ectoplasmic pseudopodia rapidly. The nuclear membrane is lined by fine chromatin. Toxoplasmosis in fetus is best confounded by IgM antibodies against Toxoplasma in fetus. Human diphyllobothriasis results from consuming infected freshwater fish with plerocercoid larvae. Tinea saginata spreads to men from eating poorly cooked cow meat with the larval stage called Cysticercus bovis. Eosinophilic meningitis is caused by Angiostrongylos cantonensis. Ova X with terminal spine is a feature of Schistosoma hermatobium. Sprangiospores are formed in asexual reproduction of zygomycetes. Zygomycosis, mucormycosis, and phycomycosis most often presents as rhinocerebral disease. Erythromycin is given in intestinal hypomotility because it binds to motilin receptors. Mechanism of multidrug resistance is mainly acquired through mutation in the DNA. The cephalosporin, which can be used in decreased GFR, is cefoperazone. The dose of which of the following cephalosporins is not to be decreased in kidney failure is cefoperazone. A girl on sulfonamides developed abdominal pain and presented to emergency with seizure. Acute intermittent porphyria is a probable cause. Cefepime inhibits cell wall synthesis. Ciprofloxacin is an anti-pseudomonal antibiotic. Cefaclor is not used for methicillin-resistant Staph aureus MRSA cefaclor. ACE inhibitor is contraindicated in pregnancy. Piperacillin is effective in Pseudomonas infection. Treatment of choice for neurosyphilis is penicillin G. Amikacin is not effective in the treatment of typhoid. Streptomycin is nephrotoxic. Doxycycline inhibit protein synthesis. Streptomycin and other aminoglycosides inhibit bacterial protein synthesis by binding to 30S ribosomal particles. Tetracycline is the most effective agent in the treatment of rickettsia infections. Pentamidine is used in pneumonia caused by P. Yersinia. Compared with most other cephalosporins, the administration of cefoprazone or cefotetan is associated with a higher incidence of bleeding tendencies in patients taking warfarin. The amikacin differs from gentamicin mainly in that it has broadest spectrum against gram-negative bacilli. Please do share this video if you found it helpful. Thank you.